Today is the first day of the school tour. The teacher in charge is taking the students around and introducing them to some important places in the school. Good morning, boys and girls.
Good morning, teacher.
It's so fantastic to see such the happy faces in my class. So, as you already know, we will have a school tour today. Who is excited about the tour?
Me.
Okay, wonderful. Before we leave the room, I would like to introduce myself first. My name is Miss Michelle. I'm a science and math teacher. And I also your teacher in charge. That means we'll be spending a lot of time together this year. Will you say hello, Miss Michelle?
Hello, Miss Michelle.
Alright, here are some rules that you need to keep in mind during the tour. First of all, walk in line and do not run in the hall.
Walk in line and do not run in the hall.
Next, be quiet and raise your hand if you want to ask anything.
Be quiet and raise your hand to ask anything.
Lastly, focus and try to remember what the teacher said on the tour.
Focus and try to remember what the teacher said on the tour.
Perfect, kids. Are you ready?
Yes, we are ready.
Let's go. Make a line in front of the door, please. Okay, so this is the school hall. We have a stage with fully equipped music instruments over there. There are some basketball hoops at the end of the hall that are used for physical education. In this room, you can learn with your gym class or art class.
Teacher, may I ask a question? Can we use this room in the recess?
Unfortunately, you're not allowed to get into this room during the break time. Talking about playing, let me show you your playground. Follow me. Here it is. What can you see in this playground, everybody?
I can see a big slide under the trees. I love playing slides.
And I'm in love with playing swing. Look, there's not only one but 3 swings in the yard.
Yeah, it's pretty awesome, huh? In the left of the yard is a sandbox. You can build a sand castle by using the shovel and the pail. You will have a lot of fun here, boys and girls.
Teacher, may I go to the toilet for a moment?
Sure, go ahead.
Can you show me the way to the toilet, please?
Oh, that's right. Go with me. I'll show you. Here you are. This is a girl's toilet and a boy's toilet. You can distinguish by looking at the sign in front of the door.
I want to go to the toilet too, please.
Yes, hurry. Don't forget to flush the water and wash your hand afterward.
Yes,
Miss
Miss Michelle.
Alright, we are standing in the learning station building. Why we call it that way? Any ideas?
No.
Because all the rooms here are for learning. The first room is the science laboratory. You will do the experiments and practice science applications.
Oh, so great.
Next to the science lab is the music room.
You can hear the piano sound. I know how to play the piano since I was 5.
Now is a drum sound. What are you doing, Miss Michelle?
Don't be surprised. They are rehearsing for the musical play. The old man standing in the wooden podium is Mr. Matthew. He is your music teacher. Okay, last but not least, this is the math room.
I guess we learn with numbers and shape in here.
Don't worry, math is fun and useful anyway. You will love it soon.
I don't think so, Miss Michelle. I have a big problem learning math.
Nah, it's not a big deal. You will see the difference here.
So, where do we learn English?
Great question. We'll learn English in our own class.
What about eating and sleeping?
In the classroom too.
What? Eating in the classroom? Are you sure? I thought every school would have a canteen or something like that.
No, not at this school. We special. Let me make it clear. After we're done with the morning lesson, all of you will line up the class together. Then you take out your lunch box and eat it in your designated spot.
So, we need to prepare the lunch box before school?
Certainly, I did tell your parents about that. They didn't tell you yet?
No,
Miss Michelle.
Really? Never mind. I'll call your parents today one more time before your first learning day.
So, is that everything in the school, you teacher?
Yes, almost everything. I'll show you the principal room and the library on the way back to the class. Do you have any more questions?
No, teacher.
Great. Let's turn back and walk in line. 1, 2, 1, 2.